Well, it is 10 after 3 in the morning. I'm grabbing a can of pineapple bubbly for the road. It is time to head to the airport with puppies. 3 o'clock. Tell you, I have an amazing wife. Second morning in a row, she's gotten up at 3 o'clock to help me pack up puppies and get ready to go. Got my espresso ready. The last one.
No. This one not get in there.
This is where I have to go. Hear the tail wagging in there. And there's one more crate in here. And that's it. Just a couple little puppies left. One left to go in the crate. Alright, so you just open that door and I'll stick this one in. Hang on, I gotta rearrange. It's just, hang on, open the door. There we go. And then, I'm gonna move this one over. Someone's got to get her bum inside. There you go. There we go. They're nice and quiet. All right. And that's why we like our Yukon. So, 3:18, we're right on time. Takes me just pretty much exactly an hour. Just get my earbuds in just in case it gets noisy in here. Pretty much exactly an hour from here to the airport. I've got my health reports here. We'll see you at the airport. Well, we have arrived. We are here at WestJet Cargo. It's time to unload some puppies. Hey puppies, good girl. So there we go. Puppies are checked in. Hey pups. You can hear them anymore, but those puppies are still making a bit of noise, but that's it. They're on their way, so I'm going to work. Well, I'm going to go home and sleep for an hour or two, and then I'm going to work. By the time my work day is over, these puppies are going to be in your arms. So be blessed, guys. And I'm waiting for those puppy photos and reaction videos when you get your new pup. See you soon.